Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. First of all, I would like to say thank you to everyone for appreciating my previous videos. Now I'm going to share one more video with you, which is discussing about the different types of IELTS essays. When students start their IELTS preparation, in the beginning they're not even aware that how many types of essays are there, and they just check randomly on the Google and they start preparing. And another challenge which comes in front of the students, that is how to prepare for the vocabulary for different types of essays. Believe me, students, if you do not focus on your vocabulary skills from the day one, then you will struggle for this thing till the end of your preparation. First of all, when you start preparation for your IELTS writing module, you must know how many types of essays are there. Now I'm just going to show you how many types of essays are there. When you are preparing for IELTS, then there are common these types of essays. The first one is problem solution. Next one is advantages and disadvantages. Third one is do you agree or disagree. Fourth one, which is similar to the agree disagree only, it is to what extent do you agree or disagree. Next type of essay is causes and solution, which is similar to the problem and solution. But in problem solution essay, usually a problem is given which you need to discuss and you have to talk about its solutions. But in causes solution, they give you a problem, but they ask you what are the causes for this problem and what solutions you can offer. Then there are opinion essays. There are different categories for opinion essays as well. For example, one type of essay can be it is a positive development or a negative development. Like examiners can give you a statement about any topic, then they can simply ask you, what do you think? It's a positive development or a negative development. So this is called opinion essay. Another, these two are also opinion essays. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? And another one is discuss both views and give your opinion. So when you are preparing for IELTS writing module, you should note down the types of essays. Then every day you should practice at least one type of essay. So after that, what you should do, when you know the types of essays, that definitely you are going to get one type of essay from this list only in your final exam. So it's good if you can prepare the common vocabulary words to answer these kind of essays. For example, the essay is problem solution. So it would be good, if you can prepare the synonyms for problem word, because if you will not prepare your vocabulary till the end of your essay writing, you will keep on using the same word problem. So what you can do for problem, you can use these words: difficulties, challenges, issues, complications. For solution, you can use remedies, measures. And if your essay type is advantages and disadvantages, then these are the words which you can use for advantages. We can write benefits, merits, positive side, constructive side, you know. And if it is disadvantages, these words can be used: drawbacks, demerits, downside. When the essays do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, then what students do, they keep on using the same word from introduction till end, that it outweighs the disadvantages or it outweighs the advantages. So instead of outweigh, you can use these two words: surpass, what can be used, overshadow, what can be used, And if this is causes solution, do not keep using the cause word from beginning till end. These words can be used. And if the essay is asking you like what are the impacts of this thing, then you can use these words. Instead of impact, we can use affect or influence. Or if affect word is given in the essay question, you can use impact or influence. If essay is about positive and negatives of something, then these words can be used. So all in all, what I'm trying to say is, According to the essay types, first of all, you can prepare your vocabulary notes. If you get problem solution essay, so you should not be concerned that instead of problem word, what other words I can use. When I have to write for the solutions paragraph, then which word I should use. So these common vocabulary words should be on your fingertips. Apart from that, it would be good if you can learn common vocabulary words on the daily basis, which you can use in your essay writing. For example, your essay topic is about crime, then you can pick up the vocabulary words related to criminal activities, about crime topic, memorize them, prepare your notes. So that, vocabulary is also a parameter of checking when examiners do check your essay, when they examine your essays, so that you can score high in that parameter. So it would be really great, if you start preparing these things from the day one. First of all, it's really very important to know how many types of essays are there. First of all, make a note of it and make sure on the daily basis you practice at least one type of essay. For example, today you are doing problem solutions. Next day you can prepare advantages, disadvantages. After that, agree, disagree. So accordingly, all types of essays must be practiced by the students. And whenever you get any type of essay, you should have clear vision in your mind that what is the right structure to write this type of essay. I have to write 2 body paragraphs or 3 body paragraphs are required. Mostly essays require only 4 body paragraph structure. The first one is introduction, second is body paragraph 1, after that body paragraph 2, then there is final a short paragraph, which is conclusion paragraph. But there are 1 to 2 types of essays which require 3 body paragraph structure also. So you should start your preparation in a very good way. You should plan the things, and according to the essay types, you should learn common vocabulary words. If you do not focus on this thing from day one, then you will struggle for this thing till the end of your preparation. Sometimes, what happens, just one day before from their exam, students are very confused and they keep asking me, ma'am, what should I do if I get this type of essay? What should be the vocabulary words which I should use? I'm very weak with vocabulary. So you will not struggle if you will focus these things in your mind from day one. I hope you liked my videos. If still you guys have any kind of doubts, then I'm just showing my links, Instagram page link on the screen. You can follow it for regular updates. You can drop your messages there. Apart from that, my numbers are also visible on the screen. You can WhatsApp me anytime or give me a call if there are any kind of issues. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay home, stay safe.